Just had a quick little rip on the bike. All the dogs are running around chasing the bike.
Yeah.
And then we got
Jazzy.
Miss Jasmine. Oh my goodness. Too much excitement for you, little miss, isn't it? No chasing the bike for you, babe. You make me laugh. Little Jazzy Jazz. You do, you make me laugh. Alright, let's get the roll call done. Who's here on this terrific Taco Tuesday? We have Ollie, Jazzy, Harley, Frankie, Mika, Penny, Coda, Blue, Wilson, Ella, Olive, Arlo, Jet, Leader, Ben, Foofy, and the new dog Winston, plus the household names Jimmy, Flop Dog, and Loopy. Alright, good pack today, whole bunch of doggy dog dogs. Let's get into it.
Action!
Good morning.
Hats on. The games are about to start. All the dogs are here, enjoying themselves so far.
Big pack today.
Yeah. Quite a large one for us.
Yeah.
And as you can see, around the property there's a little bit more water, so all the little drains are starting to fill up with water now. The old dam's full.
Yeah.
It's just draining out, so it's staying a little at a decent height.
Yeah, I was thinking we might grab the drone in a little while and a bit of a fly over the property and
have a look at how wet she is.
Yeah. There's been a lot of rain we had over the last weekend.
Yeah.
And but yeah, it looks super nice. Lots of green.
I ducked away for a couple of days and come back, and I was like, holy dooly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
gives the dogs a lot more spots to play in the water.
That's right. So they're running through it. They're loving it. So it's good. Anyway, let's get on with the day.
Excellent.
Hey, Flops. Yeah. Let's do it.
Alright, we're going to try and get some full slow-mo shots with the bikes, the dogs, and the water. Fun. It looks so sick! All right.
Something about Winston.
Something about Winston. Yes, new dog here today.
Yeah, he's a 101 Dalmatian.
He is a big boy.
Yeah, he's about 8 months old and he looks like a full-grown dog. He's massive.
He's but yeah, his first day here today.
Yeah, he's a beautiful boy. He's looks like he's enjoying himself so far. We're about to get the big ball out, so we're going to see how he goes with that one. So yeah, Winston hasn't, I don't think he's been for a proper swim yet.
No, I don't think he has.
But he's got like wet because we've got water everywhere at the minute. So he's been running through the big puddles and that. So we're going to see how he goes with the big ball, see if he gets in there, has a bit of a swim. I think it's going to be pretty exciting to watch, really.
Should be good. As always, big ball time.
Yeah. And we're going to go down and throw the ball.
All right.
I keep hearing something in the wind. I keep coming back to you, my friend. Think I'm feeling something new again. Never going back, just take my hand. Something new again. Never going back, just take my hand. Hit like a lightning bolt, deep in your heart, you know. We made it so far, you know we're 2 stars. Don't wanna miss the view of some paradise with you. There's nowhere too far, coming out the dark. I keep hearing something in the wind. I keep coming back to you, my friend. Think I'm feeling something new again. Never going back, just take my hand. I keep hearing something in the wind. I keep hearing Think I'm feeling something new again.
Score!
I should have been basketballer with a big ball. With a big hoop.
With a big hoop.
Shot of like Boofy, Jazzy and that running around the dam.
Yeah.
I just turned it off and I missed it.
Hey Jimbo, I think you're a fan of Big Red Ball. Not so much Winston. No mate, not for you. Boof, loving it. Flop Dog loves it. Frankie, you're a big fan? Oh, yep. No, much appreciated, mate. Yep, it's exactly how I want the dog to sit. Thanks, buddy. Good boy. Good boy, Boof.
I just combed my hair and I'm getting a bit worried.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I wear a hat.
I was going to say, is that coming out of your beard or?
Nah, the beard's solid.
I just talk about the colour of it.
Yeah, thanks for watching everybody. If you watched this far, I love your work. Just been brushing dogs, as you can see with the brush in my hand. The day's about to end. I'm about to load some dogs up and take them home and The other dogs are going to wait for their parents to turn up. So like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Toodles. Toodaloo. Hey, Pooch. G'day, I'm back. And I'd like to talk about how good the grass is starting to look. Bit of rain on it. It's bloody lovely, eh? What do you reckon, Matt? Is it lovely? It's looking fantastic.
Absolutely luscious out here.
Just means I've got to get the whippersnipper and the mower out a little bit more at the minute.
Ah, come on now.
Not too bad now, but once it gets towards the end of the winter and autumn kicks in, oh my god.
Oh.
It's every 3 or 4 days you're on the mower and the whippersnipper.
Jeez, we could talk about mowing for days
Couldn't
and
we?
days and days
But what
and
about
days.
these dogs?
The dogs,
How good are the
well,
dogs?
they're not very good at mowing. I wouldn't say they're that
I
great
don't
at
know,
it.
they try to sometimes.
They do.
Chewing on a bit of grass.
Yep.
We just need more dogs that chew on grass. We won't have to mow anymore.
Grass chewing dogs.
Yeah, that's right.
But anyway,
Over and out.
green grass. Oh yeah, sorry.
Over and out.
Green grass. Green grass. Over and
I'm
out.
sure you're sick of looking at me now.
Green grass. Over and out.
Beard's out.
Beards out.